Hi, my name is Mergen, a student at King's School of Culinary Arts. I loved cooking since I was a kid, and now I'm here to make it my career. I always had the passion for food and I wanted to learn more about cooking, so I joined this school to learn cooking techniques, how to run a kitchen, keep food safe, and to plan menus. We study in classrooms and practice in brand new kitchens to put what we learn into action. At the restaurant, I start by prepping ingredients, then I help cook and plate dishes during service. I work closely with the chefs to keep things running smoothly. Yes, I work at the restaurant 5 days a week, depending on the restaurant schedule. To anyone thinking about joining things, it's not just about learning to cook. You'll get lots of support, great teachers, and a lot of help to reach your cooking goals. Whether you dream of being a top chef, starting your own food business, or just love cooking, King's School of Culinary Arts sets you up for success. If you want to be chef like you dream it, you have to join our school, the King's School of Culinary Arts.